As a rideshare user, safety is always top of mind. Uber, a leader in ride-sharing, took a significant stance on safety by introducing a verified badge for riders. This badge is more than a shiny icon. It's a symbol of trust. When a driver sees that badge, he or she can be more confident that the rider has undergone thorough background checks that meet Uber's safety standards. This initiative improves the overall experience for drivers, making it easier to identify trustworthy riders. In a time where both drivers and riders have been victimized, safety concerns are prevalent. Plus, it encourages riders to maintain high standards, knowing that their verification status can influence their next ride requests. Next time you book a ride, look for that verified badge. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about ensuring your journey is safe and secure. The verified badge offers a bit more peace of mind.